Hello, kids. Today we learn about air transport names. Airplane, big planes that carry people across countries, like a Boeing 747. Hot air balloon, a colorful balloon that floats gently in the sky using hot air. Parachute, used to float safely down from the sky after jumping from a plane. Helicopter, flies with spinning blades on top, often used by police or for rescues. Air ambulance, a helicopter or plane that helps take sick people to the hospital. Police helicopter. Fighter jet is a super-fast military airplane designed to zoom through the sky and protect a country by fighting other aircraft. Cargo plane, a big plane that carries packages and goods. Private jet. Drone, a small flying machine controlled by remote, sometimes with a camera. Glider, a plane without an engine that soars through the air like a bird. Rocket, super fast and powerful, used to go into space. Hang glider, a small flying wing that people hold onto and glide with. Agricultural aircraft. Flying car, a cool invention that can drive on roads and fly in the air. Tilt-rotor aircraft, can take off like a helicopter and fly like a plane. Rescue helicopter. Army helicopter. Fast and powerful jets used by the Air Force. Seaplane. A plane that can land on water like a boat. Surveillance drone. Blimp. A big, soft-looking airship that floats slowly in the sky. Space shuttle. A special rocket that carries astronauts to space and back. Bush plane. Charter plane. Passenger plane. Planes that carry people on long trips, like an Airbus A3. Triplane. Cable car. Spaceship. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.